Hello everyone, thank you for having us. My name is Harun Sencer Yesevi and my teammates are Damla Barın and Cem Özkul. Today we are going to present you about gurus and their qualification on Agile. To begin, I'll start with what is a guru? The word guru comes from Hinduism, meaning personal religious teacher and leader. The literal translation of guru is someone who is a dispeller of darkness. They believe that ignorance is the source of this darkness. The guru tries to suppress the darkness with their knowledge and their enlightenment. In the agile world, it means a person with knowledge or expertise, or we can briefly call an expert. So we always call gurus in agile and other sectors, but why gurus are important? Gurus have mastered over the subject, so their experience and skills can help us to achieve victory over that subject. Gurus have already walked the path on spiritually, so they know the secret to reach that path, and they also know the mistakes to avoid on that path. So they give us a secret code to reach our goal. When we look at the qualifications of a guru, we can summarize with 7 important points. First one is able to change direction, listening skills, collaborative, proactive, communication skills, discipline, and the final one is continuous learning. To become a guru in Agile, you need to satisfy these qualifications. A guru should have the ability to change the direction according to the situation. We can never know what the future can bring us. So as a leader needs to adapt the situation and must take action fast. It should listen to the people around her or him. It helps improve overall communication and builds a better understanding of the people. How a leader can lead better if doesn't understand the people around it. Agile gurus need to be collaborative. They break down ranks and divisions so that everyone can share their ideas. With the gains of the Agile perspective, a guru should adapt fast and be able to make a quick but right decision. They need to communicate ideas, and also they have to make it efficiently, which actually being agile means. Leaders don't have only motivation. Leaders need to have a discipline, because a motivation can end and can lead others to failure. But disciplined leader will carry you to success and the people around him. A guru should always be open to learning new things, no matter how long he has been in a role or how much experience he has. Let's continue with a few Agile gurus we want to talk about. One of the most famous gurus in Agile is Henrik Kniberg. Henrik Kniberg is an Agile Lean coach at Krips and Stockholm, and he has worked mostly with Spotify and Lego, and he is also former Minecraft game designer. He made a bunch of videos on YouTube, such as Agile Ownership in a Nutshell, and a lot of training video on the Agile perspective. Henrik has written 3 books that have over 500,000 readers, and these books are used as the primary guides to Agile and Lean software development. He even gone to India to see the gurus in Hinduism to understand their perspective. Henrik is an experienced teacher and award-winning keynote speaker. He is certified Scrum trainer and has done regular training and coaching together with Jeff Sutherland and Alistair Cockburn and other thought leaders.
As Harun mentioned, Henrik stands out with his work experience and agile stance. You can see one of Henrik's well-known and meaningful quotes. Another favorite quote you may have heard is, most people like change, they just don't like to be changed. It's one of my favorites. So let's continue with another guru, Barış Bal. He is one of the prominent names in this field in Turkey. Barış Bal is an Agile consultant in ACM, and he meets with Agile idea in 2000s and has been working for this philosophy and culture to become widespread ever since. After graduating with a bachelor's degree in computer engineering and a double major in electronic communications, he still supports organizations in different levels of their agile journeys as consultant and trainer. Believing in the value of sharing information and experience, he is the founder of Scrum Turkey and Ancak, and he is team leader since 8 years in Agile Turkey. Another guru is Mary Popendik. She wrote the award-winning book Lean Software Development and Agile Toolkit in 2003 to explain how the lean principles from manufacturing offer a better approach to software development. She started the whole movement of bringing Agile and Lean together. And Mary and her husband Tom introduced us the world of Toyota, which is a production system. And this Toyota production system's goal is highest quality, lowest cost, and shortest lead time. Our next guru is Alistair Cockburn, and he is an American computer scientist known as one of the initiators of the Agile movement in software development. He is co-author with 17 others, the Manifesto for Agile Software Development. And in 2015, he launched the Heart of Agile movement, which is presented as a response to the overly complex state of the Agile industry. He invented a set of methods called Crystal. In addition, he has recently set up the IC Agile certification. Another one is David Anderson, who is originator of the Kanban method, and the co-creator of the Kanban maturity model, the Fit for Purpose framework, and enterprise service planning. He founded the David J. Anderson School of Management in 2008 to train managers from all over the world to give them a new way to view and interpret the world around them, be able to make clear decisions with confidence. In addition, he has recently launched accreditation and is the chairman of the Lean Six Sigma company. Now Jen will continue with other gurus.
Thank you, Damla, for her presentation about Agile Gurus, and I'm going to continue another Agile Gurus. So let's move on with Mike Cohn. Mike Cohn is a certificate Scrum Master, Scrum Trainer, who was a co-founder of the Scrum and the Scrum Alliance, and who served as its chairman of the board. Moreover, he is the president of Mountain Goat Software and specializes in helping organizations develop high-performing Agile and Scrum teams. And we have another guru whose name is Ken Schwaber. He worked with Jeff Sutherland to formulate the initial version of Scrum framework. Also, Schwaber and Sutherland are two of the 17 initial signatories of the Agile Manifesto. Also, they are co-authors of the Scrum Guide, and Schwaber is one of the leaders of the Agile software development movement. He is a founder of Agile Alliance, and he is responsible for founding the Scrum Alliance. Let's continue with Jeff Sutherland. Jeff Sutherland is one of the most creators of the Scrum, that's a framework for product management. As the CEO of Scrum Incorporated and the senior advisor and agile coach to OpenView Venture Partners. Also, Jeff sets the vision for success with Scrum. Also, he continues to share best practices with organizations around the globe and has written extensively on Scrum rules and methods. So we have another guru, Jurgen Appelo. Jurgen is CEO of Happy Melly and the Unifix model at Agile Scales, and he's co-founder of the Agile Lean European Network. From 2008, Jurgen wrote a popular blog at NOOPNL, offering ideas on the creative economy, Agile Manifesto, organizational change, and personal development. And also, he is the author of the book, which name is Management, which describes the role of the manager in Agile organizations. If you have interest, you must read it. So there are several advantages to hiring an Agile crew. As you can see, it's extremely helpful in crucial areas like team confidence, motivation, and communication. It assists self-reliant workers and capable leaders in strengthening as a company as well. So in the light of the main idea, Agile Gurus taught that leader is a person who earns his leadership every day. So in conclusion, we are happy to answer if you have any questions. Thank you for your listening.